So welcome to my YouTube channel Geon's Tech. So today we will learn about Azure DNS, Azure VPN Gateway and Azure ExpressRoute. So friends, this is about myself. Okay, so what is Azure DNS? Azure DNS is an Azure hosting service for DNS domain that provides name resolution by using Microsoft Azure infrastructure. Okay, example, as you know that every domain name has IP, public IP associated with it. Okay, for an example, if you have this domain, for an example, this is my domain geonstech.com. Okay, so this is a domain name and this one public IP is associated with it. Okay, for an example, so every domain has the public IP associated with it. So if you type this public IP in browser, okay, so my website will open. Okay, geonstack.com. Okay, so for an example, Google is having some public IP. Okay, so if you type that public IP in browser, so your website will open, I mean Google will open. Okay, so let's understand this white diagram. Okay, okay, so friends, I have created this diagram for you, so for better understanding. Okay, so for an example, I have this website geonstech.com. This is an web server. Okay, so I have one website which is hosted. Its domain name is www.geonstech.com and its public IP is 10.0.1.1. Okay, so this public IP is associated with this domain. Okay, so this is my laptop for an example. So if you type in browser, if you type 10.0.1.1, so my website will get open. To learn an IP address, to remember an IP address is very tough. Okay, so this domain name comes into the picture. Okay, domain, so DNS server comes into the picture. Okay, so in DNS servers we are making the settings. For an example, we have this geonstack.com and we are putting the IP address. Okay, in the DNS servers we are making the mapping. Okay, so for an example, if in our laptop, so if I enter geonstack.com, so first this request go to the DNS server. Okay, so from the DNS server it picks the IP address. It again here control came here and picks the IP. If this IP came here, so again the request goes to the this IP address and my website, and this IP address is associated with geonstack.com. So my website will open on the browser. Okay, so in this way the control will work. So what is the use of DNS server? I mean DNS is used to for the domain and it's associated with the IP address resolution. It is also known as the name server. So what is Azure VPN Gateway? Okay, so Azure VPN Gateway is to send the encrypted traffic across the public internet. This type of gateway is called as VPN gateway. It can be site to site, point to point, VNet to VNet connections. All use a VPN gateway. Or for an example, if you have network 1 and you have one network 2, okay, so the data is transferred via encrypted traffic over the internet, over the public internet. So site to site means these can be sites, this can be point to site, and this can be virtual network to virtual network. Okay, so this comes under VPN gateway, Azure VPN gateway. So next is ExpressRoute. So what is ExpressRoute? ExpressRoute is used to extend your on-premises network into Microsoft Azure cloud over private connection with the help of connectivity provider. Okay, so to send the network traffic on a private connection, in this ExpressRoute, what we will do to send the network traffic over a private connection. Okay, gateway type is express type is used in that, and this type of gateway is called as ExpressRoute gateway and is used to configure the ExpressRoute. Okay, so for an example, this is a cloud network, Microsoft cloud network, and this is an on-prem network. Okay, so the connectivity is established by a private connection. Okay, this is the private connection, and using ExpressRoute gateway the connection is established between network Basically, it is a extension of the network cloud. So you can see ExpressRoute is used to extend your on-premises network on Azure cloud. So basically, it is an extension of on-premises network over a cloud. So friends, this is my YouTube channel Geon's Text. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. So let me show you how to search my channel in YouTube. Okay, so just go to YouTube and in search bar just type JYEONS Geon's Tech. Okay, just click on search. You will find this channel. Okay, and this is my channel name Geon's Tech. I request you to just click on subscribe and press the bell icon as well.